Hi everyone, my name is Callie and I'm a member of the ThunderTix customer support team. And today I'm going to walk you through how to create a standalone volunteer opportunity in ThunderTix. A standalone volunteer opportunity is a volunteer opportunity that is not connected to a performance or an event. For example, if you have someone who comes in once a month to organize the prop closet, or if you have a volunteer that comes in once a week to help out with administrative tasks or office tasks, a standalone volunteer opportunity is great for that kind of task. Now let's get into creating a standalone volunteer opportunity in ThunderTix. The first thing you will want to do when you create your standalone opportunity is to create the role itself first. So head to your Volunteer Manager tab on the left-hand menu and click Roles from the drop-down menu. This is the screen that you're currently seeing. And then click New Role. If you've already created a role for your volunteer opportunity, please feel free to skip this step. So we'll enter in a role. We'll say Prop Organizer. And then we'll enter in a brief description of the role. Once a month opportunity to clean out the prop closet. And then any requirements that you have for the role. For this purpose, I'll just say mobile. That's all I can really think of off the top of my head. And then you can optionally create a label color. We'll stick with black for now, and then go to Save. Now that you've created your role, head into Volunteer Manager, and then Standalone Opportunities. Click Create Opportunity, and then you select your role from the drop-down menu. So we'll select Prop Organizer, enter in the number of volunteers needed per occurrence. So we'll say it's 2 people, depending on how big the prop closet is, of course. And then for the opportunity title, we will say Prop Closet Organizer. And then on the recurring pattern, you have the option to set it to one time, daily, weekly, or monthly. For this purpose, we're going to say monthly. And let's have them start on the 27th, and it will repeat until December 22nd. And we're not going to have them here for 24 hours, so we're going to have them come in at 10 a.m. and leave at, we'll say 1 p.m. And then click Create Opportunity. You've now created your first volunteer, or your first standalone volunteer opportunity, and all that's left to do is just assign your volunteers to your role. It functions the same way it would with an opportunity tied to an event or performance. If you have any questions about volunteer management or standalone volunteer opportunities, please feel free to submit a support request, and someone from our support team will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.